So when you're baking bread at home and you have a straight dough, or that would mean like a baguette or a sourdough, what you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 500 degrees. And then after the bread has been in the oven for about 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes, drop your temperature down to 450 degrees and then continue to bake at 450 degrees for the rest of the bake. When you're baking something that has fat in it, like a brioche or like a sandwich dough that has some milk and some butter in it, you really can't bake at such a high temperature or the outside will scorch before the inside is properly cooked. So what you want to do is, I normally bake at 350 degrees and then just bake them at 350 degrees until they're done being baked. When I bake in a convection oven, normally I don't change the temperature that I'm baking at, but I do notice that it takes a lot less time to bake. If you're baking baked convection, it will take, I don't want to say half the amount of time, but you want to start checking your bread sooner because it will bake faster. And those are just some of the differences between baking in a regular conduction oven, a convection oven, and how to bake different breads at different temperatures in your home oven.